Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook cake in an instant pot. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need your favorite cake batter, a 7-inch round cake pan that fits inside your instant pot, and a trivet. Don't forget to grease and flour your pan thoroughly, or line it with parchment paper to prevent sticking. This simple preparation step ensures your cake releases beautifully after cooking, making for a perfect presentation every time. Now, let's set up your instant pot for success. Pour 1.5 cups of water into the inner pot. This water creates the steam needed for pressure cooking. Next, place the trivet inside the pot. This keeps your cake pan elevated above the water. Finally, carefully lower your prepared cake pan, filled with batter, onto the trivet. Make sure it's centered and stable before closing the lid. It's time to cook. Secure the instant pot lid, ensuring the sealing valve is in the correct position. Set your instant pot to high pressure for 25 to 30 minutes, depending on your cake's density. Once the cooking cycle finishes, allow a natural pressure release for 10 minutes. This helps prevent the cake from sinking. After 10 minutes, carefully quick release any remaining pressure, then open the lid. Your delicious instant pot cake is almost ready. Carefully lift the cake pan out of the instant pot using the trivet handles. Let the cake cool in the pan for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows it to firm up slightly. Then, gently invert it onto a wire rack to cool completely. Once fully cooled, you can frost and decorate it as desired. Enjoy your perfectly moist and tender instant pot cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.